Hello dear friends, I hope you all are good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make best out of waste. I got these pots from the local market. I thought to make it beautiful by coloring and decorating it. I am using acrylic colors and Fevicryl sparkling pearl colors. This is the sparkling pearl gold color. Now I am using navy blue to give it an outline. Once it is done, you can start decorating with the help of dotting tool, or you can use 0 number brush. To highlight the golden part, I am dividing it with green color. And giving it an outline with the black marker pen. You can use 0 number brush I am drawing barley on the pot, and again I am using the same black marker pen. Barley painting is a form of tribal art, and it is mostly created by the tribal people of the North Sahyadri region of Maharashtra. Nature and trees play a crucial part in the Varli people's livelihood and are given careful attention in the paintings. The tree plays a very important role in rural India. In these drawings, various elements of nature are depicted, and human forms are shown in abstract geometric designs. I filled the colors in the body of Varli dolls. And tada! Our beautifully decorated pots are ready. Guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do consider subscribing it and press the bell icon to get notified. And if you like this video, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep creating. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.